The University of Teesside is an institution of approximately 25,000 students, which has grown rapidly over the last 10 years or so. It positions itself as a university which is business focused, although it does have a significant amount of research in our chosen areas. We see ourselves as a resource for the region. I don't think we would have made the progress that we have in building our relationship with business without this CRM system. It's absolutely essential.
The CRM system is playing a really important role in helping us to professionalise our business engagement services. It's a real driver for ramping up customer care standards. It's that raising of quality that's going to help us increase our revenue.
The CRM enables us to store all activities and correspondence, emails, record telephone conversations, and anyone in from another school or department can look at the history and provide solutions to help the employer.
We've got about 100 people currently using the system. By the end of this year, we're going to have 300 people using the system. We're already finding that people across the university are putting their details on the system, sharing those details, and making use of what they find to inform the way they work with business, and also to inform the way they work with colleagues, which is really critically important. It's making people collaborate more.
This CRM system allows us to be able to target employers with a whole raft of deliverables and opportunities, building upon perhaps a single project.
We are increasing our efficiency, we're reducing our costs. The CRM system is playing a key part in helping us get the maximum benefit from these packages that are being developed.
Before, if our Vice-Chancellor wanted some information about all our customers in the process industries, for example, it would be really difficult to get a picture of which people in which schools were working with which companies and what they were doing and how much income we were getting from that. Now, with all this data on the CRM, those sorts of reports are easy to do, and most importantly, they will shape future strategy and target markets.
We're able to use the system for managing specific projects, whether that's setting up an event or setting up the details of a funded activity. So people are able to use the system to put the details on of everything they're doing relating to a particular project or event, which means that anybody else who's using the system across the university can get an awareness of what's going on. What we are doing for one particular company can also be to the benefit of other organisations as well.
So we've managed to implement a first phase integration with our finance system. We can store the unique project code that's held in the finance system in the CRM, and on clicking that, people who have access to the finance system can view a report of the status of the income and expenditure on their project. It raises the profile of the finances of a project in the mind of the project manager, and it makes sure that the finances are managed properly.
We found Diagonal really helpful to work with. They've got in-depth technical knowledge. They've been honest with us, which I think is a really important part of any relationship. They have put in the time and the effort and the resources, and that's the reason really that we are where we are now. We've taken a fast-track approach to implementing this system. It's been very intensive, but it's also been very rewarding.
Employer engagement represents a really good opportunity for universities to get into CRM, but I think there's also a really good opportunity to make it more broadly used across a university. Things like integration with student records, marketing to new students, integration with maybe international partners to bring overseas students on board. Having a CRM with the capability to support multiple functions across the university obviously got big benefits from a cost of ownership point of view, but also in terms of getting the most out of the technology and standardising on a single solution. So choosing the right CRM that's got the capability to manage a whole different set of relationships is probably the key to long-term CRM success.
Clearly, universities have been focused on research and teaching. There is an increasing demand by UK PLC to engage much more in enterprise and workforce development. These increasing demands mean that we have to be much more efficient. CRM allows us to become much more efficient, make savings, and therefore find the space in our research and teaching time to actually deliver an enterprise agenda.
It's absolutely fantastic that we've got this system in place. We've done it in a short space of time, but now already it's paying huge dividends. It's going to transform our lives. I think it's going to transform the way we work with business. Everybody who uses the system feels the same way.